Imagine if you lived in a world where more people died from diet-related illness than any war, than any homicide or murders, or even drugs, alcohol and smoking combined, or where diabetes was the fastest growing cause of death in the world. Imagine if you lived in a world where diet-related disease cost over 200 billion in healthcare. In a world where food producers could get away with putting fillers and additives into your food without even telling you to make more money. Where governments' hands were tied because of the power of large corporations. And where 43 million children were obese. Where they could be fed junk food every day of their school life. And when they left school, they couldn't even identify basic fruit and vegetables. Imagine that.
Now imagine a place where children learn to love healthy foods. Where they experience the joy of preparing their own meals. Where they influence the choices that their parents, family members, and friends make. Where we make a difference one child at a time. In 2011, the Jamie Oliver Food Foundation Mobile Kitchen Classroom embarked on a journey to empower, educate, and engage children. After millions of impressions, thousands of engagements, and hundreds of classes, we are just getting warmed up. We hope you'll join us in the fight against childhood obesity. We need your help to make a difference. Imagine what we can do together.